Hi internet friends, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I am going to try and organize my makeup station. It's very messy at the moment. As you guys can see, there's just like boxes everywhere, and that's only the stuff you can see. If you could, I'm not showing you the whole room because it's embarrassingly really messy, but I'm going to try my best to try and organize it as best I can. But yeah, we're going to start off first with the stuff that you can see in the background, and also the desk that I actually use to film on. Okay, so this is what you can see. So this room, we use it for a bit of storage, and also obviously filming my makeup tutorials and stuff like that. But as you guys can see, this is the background. It's always very messy, so I thought I would actually try and organize it as much as I can. And then like down here you guys can see that I've got like the boxes, like PR boxes and stuff like that. I'm gonna try and fold them, or you know, deflate them, whatever the proper term is, and then put them into a recycling box, so that next time when the recycling bins are empty I can just chuck all of them away. That's going to be today's little project. I know I've done a couple of decluttering videos in the past, but honestly I look back at them and it wasn't really kind of like decluttering or organizing them at all. It was really just kind of shuffling them to look a little bit more organized. So I kind of want to actually try. I am definitely not one of those very organized people. I am very much with go with the flow type of person. I'm the type of person that just kind of like throws things in a certain direction, and I kind of know that it's going to be... If you guys heard that, that's my partner judging me, calling me chaos, which is very true. So I'm the type of person that kind of like throws it in one direction, and then I will know that it's going to be somewhere there. So I'm going to try and just make it look a little bit more presentable today. Okay, so I have cleared out as much as I can from here. As you guys can see, there's like still boxes underneath there. That's going to be a little project over the next few days. And I've just clipped my hair back because this was just really annoying me. So it's quite dusty, and it's just got like powder, dust, makeup and everything. I've got this multi-purpose cleaner from Woolies. It's just Strike multi-purpose cleaner and just some paper towel. Just give everything a good wipe down, and then I'm going to kind of rearrange things so it looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing, which I will undoubtedly ruin in probably a few days. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. I've pretty much just kept this kind of corner the same, really. I've just moved the flamingo. By the way, I got this from Rachel before she left for Canada. So it's like my little reminder of her. So yeah, and I've also got my L'Oreal Balmain box, which was from a PR collection like years ago. It's just very pretty, so I'm just going to definitely keep it there. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on top of the makeup box just yet. I might put something there. It just depends on how the rest of the reorganizing goes. I've got all the brushes, like all my brush holders, my mugs and stuff right there for the time being. When I do film a makeup tutorial, I think I'm going to just take them and just put them on the desk whenever I do need them, and then when I don't, I'll put them back. Whether or not I actually stick to that is a whole nother story. And then I'm on my knees at the moment, sorry guys. On that side over there I've got my tripod, and I've also got my camera. I was cleaning my tripod, it was just like covered in makeup dust. I'm assuming just setting powder in general. So there was a lot of that, so I had to clean that. And then just my camera over there, it's a mirrorless camera. It's the Canon M50 if you guys are interested, and what I'm using at the moment is the G7X from Canon. I tend to only use that these days for proper sit-down makeup videos, or when brands ask for it, or sometimes they'll just ask for a phone clip, and that's what I use most of the time these days for my Instagram content. It's just easier for me. But anyway, I digress. I've also kind of cleaned just the drawers, like because they had like makeup smudges and everything, and of course the boxes down here haven't really changed. I really don't know what to do with them just yet, so I'm trying to kind of like pick out stuff from them, and then I can put them, set them aside. You guys can't see it, but I've got a box here that I've been putting recycling in, and that's going to be the designated recycling box. And then I also found another mecha box, which I'm going to be using as DIY organizers in just a second, which will probably be another video because I want to organize my lipsticks, and that's going to be a whole, it's going to be a whole video. So I'm going to probably use these for that. But yeah, that's this desk done, and now I'm going to try and work on the other desk, which is a whole mess, guys. It's a whole mess. And you're only going to see the top bit, not the bottom bit. This is the other desk, and this is where I primarily sit when I'm actually filming. Clutter, clutter, clutter. I'm going to work on that. What I'm going to do first is just take everything off and just put things that I need back on this desk. I've been using this sort of like technique of boxes and boxes and boxes. It used to be tissue boxes technique for the longest time, but yeah, I'm going to work on that. And voila, that's the desk. So I've pretty much put stuff away that needed to be put away, and throw away stuff that needed to be thrown away. And this is what the desk looks like. And it's, I know it's really dirty. It's pretty much just makeup powder, setting powder, what have you, everywhere, and probably a bit of setting spray, and maybe some lash glue, and maybe some cut up lashes, and it's a mess. So I am going to clean this, and it's going to be quite satisfying to clean this, I think. Okay, so the desk is pretty much clean and organized, at least the best I can do. So I've just got my little eyeliner sharpener, pencil sharpener here. I have got my lipstick organizer here. I've got my brush cleaning thing, which I got from Kmart. It's Be Me. I think it was only like $3 or $5, really cheap. I've got my handheld mirrors. So this one is from Basis, and this one is from SayItWithPolish.com. And then I've got my Doll Beauty handheld mirror, and I've got a coaster that I got from Kmart, I believe. This is just like a marble one, just so when I have my drink I can just have it there. And then I still have these boxes. Like I said, I'm going to look for an actual like mirror stand so that I can actually do my mirror makeup properly without using this. So this is what I normally do, just kind of have it there on top of that. And then sometimes I'll also have this on top of that just to give it a little bit more height. Some of you guys might be wondering why I don't use this bad boy here, like this big thing here. The reason being is I don't really like the whole just white like wall background. I did it for a couple of years and it was okay, but I felt like it was just so clinical. It didn't really have any personality, whereas I feel like with this, it does have some kind of personality. So I thought, yeah, I'm just going to use this as the backdrop, and yeah, just use that table over there for my filming. So I've got my little Joby Gorilla tripod, which I use for my phone. Again, I have got a gigantic tripod that I don't use, but for the phone stuff, if I have the tripod, it's like up to here, and it's just a really weird angle, and you can kind of see that in some of the videos if I do it that way. And For the most part, I don't care, but sometimes I just kind of want to keep it like just there, just so it's so all cohesive. And those are sort of like my costume shirts per se. But yeah, that is pretty much part one of cleaning, organizing this back room. I don't know how far I'm going to get. Like I said, there's just so much stuff in here. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to really organize everything. But I thought I would just start with the stuff that you can see on camera. And then I'll slowly chip away at everything else, considering I'm filming this during a lockdown here in Melbourne, and I think we've got another 2 weeks, maybe, I don't know, at this stage. So might as well chip away, start cleaning things. And I probably need my puffer actually, because I've just inhaled so much dust. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I promise I am going to do like a whole series. I keep saying that every time I do a declutter, but this time I'm definitely going to do a series. And I think I'm going to start next with my miscellaneous drawer for one, and then my lipstick drawer for the next one, and we'll see how far I get with that, and then I'll try and move on to the next drawers. But yeah, that is pretty much it from me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.